Hey lovely people, welcome back once again to Stitches Viz collection. I'm Miss Stitches. Today let me share with you how to make my easy ball pearl earrings. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Let's get started. So you cut your fish line. I'm using 0.35. So you cut it not too long. Then you fix 5 pearl beads. Then you cross with the last one. You make sure you have equal ends. You then fix 4 beads on your left. Then you cross with the 4th one using the right fish line. So you go through this bead, the next bead, fix 3 beads on the left fish line again, then you cross with the right one. So we go through the next bead here. Then you fix 3 beads on the left, then you cross with the right one. So make sure you always fix the bead on one side, then you cross with the other side. So we go through this bead here. Then we fix 3 beads and cross with the last one. So this time we are going through the middle bead here and the next one. So we are going through the middle bead and the next one. Then this time you fix 2 beads on the left, then you cross with the last one, adding up to 5. So we go through the next bead here. You fix 3 beads and cross with the last one. So we go through the middle bead and the second bead here. So we go through the middle. We fix 2 beads and cross with the last one. So we are just adding up to 5. So anywhere you cross, you make sure it's up to 5. So we are going through the middle bead and the next bead again. You fix 2 and cross with the last one. So we are going through the middle bead and the next bead again. And cross with the last one. So we are going through the next 3 beads. So 1, 2, 3. Then we cross with 1. So we have a round shape bead, or the ball shape bead. So you pass the fish line through this 4 bead here. You fix 2 pearl beads through both fishline. You then pick 9 beads, fix 4 on each side. Then you cross with the last one, or you cross with the 9th one, so you get something like that. Then we pass the fish line, both fish line, through everything to this bead here. So we want it on this bead. So you do the same thing to this side. So you pass this side through like this too. So let's say you cross with the fish line. Now you can see we have a round shape here. Then you fix 1 big pearl bead through both fish line. So we are just trying to fix it in the middle, so you can pass it through the next bead here. So you go through from the other side, and you go through with the other fish line through the other side as well. So you can see it's in the middle now. So you make sure you pass the excess fish line through everything. After, you can cut off excess fish line. So after, you get your flat hair hook, and you can use a normal glue, or you can use a glue gun. Okay, so you just put a little drop on it, then you stick this side. Okay, you put the big pearl bead on it. So you hold it for some time so it will be able to stick or to stack on it. Now we are done with our beaded pearl earrings. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of my tutorials. Comment and share. Please follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.